It's your boy, GW. You see what we working with today? That Kel Tec here. I mean, you know, dry, you know, clear, you know, got that thing already. Yeah, that big boy. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something about this. Street, sweep, 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 sweep. But we ain't here for that. Today, we're gonna field strip this bad boy. Take that thing apart, clean it, lube it. You know, we're gonna lube that thing, you know.
Yeah, boy.
But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna field strip it, clean it, lube it, put it back together, show y'all what y'all need to do. Keep these things, you gotta have the sweeper perfect. You gotta have that thing perfect, you know what I'm saying? Real talk. But that's what it is. We're gonna ride like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, bet. So for this particular gun, you know what I'm saying, you don't really need too much to field strip it, clean it, and lube it. You know what I'm saying? All we're gonna use today is a Phillips screwdriver, regular Phillips screwdriver. We got Hopes 9. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Hopes, you know what I'm saying? Comment, let me know what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So we got the cleaning solution, and then we got the lubricant right here. Also, they came in a kit. They gave us this, you know what I'm saying? It's for your towels. So insert your towels. You got your wire brush, and then we got a little angle cleaner. And of course, I brought my toothbrush. Got some paper towel, hot water, and of course, you can't forget the wife beater. The wife beater is gonna be key today. All right, so let's get started. First thing first, safety check. You know what I'm saying? Nothing in there. Ain't gonna do you no good trying to clean a loaded gun, a gun with a mag in it, none of that. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start with this pin in the back left corner next to the screw right here. Let's see if you guys get that. And so we're gonna punch down with a little screwdriver. You definitely can use a punch kit in this situation, and if you do have one handy, but in this situation, all I got is this, so we green. So we're gonna pull back the two. Next, in our front barrel, we're gonna pull forward and slide this 90 degrees and slide this back. Slide it all the way back. Pull it a little bit forward. Move the charging handle. Move the charging handle. Next up, we're gonna move this at an angle to drop this out. All right, now we got the main piece out. We're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna clean everything, but this is our main thing. This is our main objective right here. You know what I'm saying? So, first thing first, we're gonna remove this side pin right here. A little soft tap and get it. Move the frying pan. Alright, frying pan is out. Next, we hit these mechanisms. It's simple. All you gotta do is pull up and pull out. Always pull out, create. Thanks. Everything should follow as such. Alright, let's get some gloves on. Back. So let's get started. First things first. Let's grab this toothbrush. I got hot water because it's like taking a bath. You gotta wash off whatever you didn't put on your brush. On your washcloth, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how to wash your legs. So come in with some lubricant. Dip this, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the wipe down, with the brush down. Before I start, every time I do, I always make sure the brush is dry before I start again. I don't need no water in there. It's all cleaning solution. After you wipe everything, well, brush everything down on that end, you can come through, brush and hammer, brush the trigger sensor right there. Well, not sensor, brush the trigger right there. You can get in there, get in the barrel. You want to get all in there. For the barrel, I'm gonna get down to do the best I can. I don't have a threaded board brush long enough to go through that. So we're gonna improvise, adapt, and overcome. See how much you can do in advance. Get you the proper tools so you don't have something like this happen to you, to where you can't all the way clean your barrel like you need to. Alright, we're done with the cleaning part. So now let's get some lube going. And like I said before in the previous video, I don't squeeze this lube. You know, you just need a little bit just to make it work. So I just let the bottle drip and do its thing. Put our initial mechanics back together. First things first. I'm reading. It appears that one of these holes is smaller than the other side. So make sure you put it in facing up. You come back in, you pull it out, you can stick it in. Right there in that hole that you had made for yourself. And you see it's working, it's functioning fine. Always make sure as you go, as you put things back, make sure it is working the same way you took it apart when you first started. All right, so if you can see this little crescent in your firing pin, you want this just like this as you're sticking it in, so your pin can go back in right as well. So bring this back. There we go. And that's perfect. Now you want to slide your pin back in, big side down. All you gotta do is push back. All right, we're along our way. So let's do a little cleanup job real quick. Clean the steel that doesn't need and the polymer that doesn't need the lube. All right, let's put this thing back together now. So, when putting this back in, all you gotta do, put it back in at an angle. Make sure that this is fully extended. upside down. Oh, the critical thing, make sure this little piece is 90 degrees. You don't want it to get lost in there when you put it back in. So, like I said, so really, I'm gonna do it upside down. Okay, there we go. Now, just gotta get over that last little mechanism. There we go. So, just to make sure everything's slid in place. Slides all the way back. Next, we're gonna put our charging handle back in. Turn that to lock it back in. Alright. Time to lock this bad boy back in place. So I pull forward. There you go. Turn that 90 degrees, pull forward. Time to put the pan back in. There you have it. You know what I'm saying? Kel Tec Plr 16. We field stripped that bad boy. We cleaned that bad boy. We lubed that bad boy. And we put that bad boy back together. You know what I'm saying? You can check my work. Work, you know what I'm saying? Trigger still pull. No complaints. We got that done. So I want y'all to comment below, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what y'all think.
Like, comment, subscribe, share,